time here, I just wanted to take a little minute and show you how we feed our fish. So first thing is we get this little Tupperware dish out of the freezer, and you'll see that we've got our fish food contained in there. All right, so we take on that, and then we're gonna go down below and we're gonna get the other pieces of this, what we need to feed the fish. So we've got the two different solutions, number one, which is the alkalinity, and two, which is calcium. And they're wonderfully marked, so you can see that. Two, we've got the cup and the little turkey baster. And the last piece is the seaweed pieces. So what we do is we just slide the tops of these off, or lift them up, put them to the side, and I'm gonna put the seaweed here. We basically scoop just a little bit of tank water, and then we take one of the cubes of the frozen food from the package and pop it right inside there. And that way this can sort of melt in the water, and we'll use the food baster, the turkey baster, to suck it up and place it inside the tank. Let me go ahead and put this off to the side. Okay, so with the little pointed part, we just break it up a little bit, like so that you can see that it's breaking apart a little here. And then we simply swoop it up in the scooper, and you'll watch the little guys come and feed as you push the food out. So this is good, especially when you've got big guys like the yellow one here. You want to distribute it a little bit from this side to that side in order to make sure that everybody gets a little bit of food. Because if you see some of the other little fish, they're not getting it as fast as the big fish are. So once you've done that and you've finished the whole container, then what you'll go ahead and do is you'll take the component number one, the solution, and you'll fill it to the black line. This normally feeds the corals and the other biology, if you will, that's inside the tank. Now, if you notice, I'm putting this a little bit in the corner. You'll see how the big white cloud comes down, and a little bit in the corner over here, because we have a blower, and as the blower blows, sometimes it blows it into the filter. You want to try to avoid that. So that's the first one. And as that goes through the water and dissipates, then you go into the second one. So it should be fairly quick. Nonetheless, you fill it up to the black line. It's about 10 milliliters. And do essentially the same thing. A little bit over here and a little bit over there. All right. So now the corals are going to be super, super happy. And then last but not least, in the baggie, we will have some pieces of seaweed. And this is a lot of fun because the yellow one and who we call Cheerio over here, they really like seaweed. So they're gonna go crazy for this when you feed them that. But all in all, that's pretty much what we need to do to feed the tank. And when we're done, we put the pieces back and lower the lid, and you're good to go. Thanks.